السلام عليكم أعزائي الطلبة. اليوم درسنا بيونت 2 lesson 1. عنوان الدرس هو keep fit، يعني الحفاظ على اللياقة أو الرشاقة. Take my advice. So this is a passage about fitness. Let's read together. Fitness is very important. Unfit people cannot enjoy life. They get tired very quickly, so they cannot play games. They cannot run. In fact, they cannot even walk without getting tired and out of breath. So, if you want to enjoy life, you should get fit and keep fit. How can you get fit? You should take exercise regularly. Games like football, basketball, and netball give you plenty of exercise because you have to run all the time. Swimming and cycling are also very good forms of exercise. If you don't like any of these, you can just go walking. You should walk quickly for about 20 minutes every day. Walking slowly will not make you fit, and walking to your bedroom will not either. Some people think that taking exercise is boring, but it doesn't have to be. If you take exercise with your friends, you will have fun. There are some questions about this passage in your activity book. Go to Unit 2, Lesson 1. A. Read page 17 of your student's book and answer these questions. Go directly to question number 2. Why is it important to be fit? The answer is to enjoy life. Number 3. Why can unfit people not run or walk easily? The answer is because they get tired quickly and run out of breath. Number 4. Why is exercise good for you? Because it keeps you fit. Number 5. What kinds of exercise can you find in paragraph 2? Let's go to paragraph 2. This is paragraph 1. This is paragraph 1. And this is paragraph 2. This is paragraph 2. Okay, this is the answer. Football, basketball, netball, swimming, cycling, and also running. Number 6. Which words in the text mean the following? Often. Often means regularly. Regularly. B. Able to do things like running and playing games. Fit. The answer is fit. C. Opposite of fit, unfit. Unfit. Kinds, forms. Forms. Here, if you can take a look at these pictures, look here. Which of these boys do you think is fit? Zaid. We have Zaid, Ahmed, Salam, and Yasser. Zaid says, they won't let me play. I get tired quickly. So, do you think that he is fit? No, actually, he is unfit because he gets tired so quickly. How about Ahmed? I watch TV all the time. Look at him. He is so lazy. He is resting on the couch and watching TV. He does not exercise and does not walk. So he spends his time just sitting and watching TV. So of course he is unfit. He is not fit student. Let's go to Salam. Look at Salam. I love running. So of course he is fit. He is the first one here among those boys who is fit because he likes running. How about Yasser? I love my car. I drive everywhere. So he does not walk, he does not run, he does not exercise. Wherever he wants to go, he goes by his car. Okay? That means he is unfit because he doesn't move his muscles, he doesn't move any muscle in doing an exercise. So the only boy here fit is Salam. You read something about should here, you should, and giving advice with should. Should here is used to give an advice. To give an advice. We say you should be fit, you should sleep early, you should walk every day at least 20 minutes. Should here means an advice, means I advise you to walk every, I advise you, okay? So you should take my advice or you should not. It's up to you as you like. It's not just like must. Must is something else. Must is different. Why? Because it is necessary. Must means necessary. You need to get fit. You should take some exercise. You are always tired. You shouldn't go to bed late. We studied something about fitness which is related to exercise and the movement that you should do every day in order to keep fit. So how about the food? Does the food connects to fitness or not? The answer is yes, of course. You should eat healthy food in order to be fit. So let's go and complete our lesson in Unit 2, Lesson 2. The title of the lesson is Eat the Right Food. Okay, here we have plenty of food, some food here. Okay, like cake or meat here, meat, sorry, strawberry, coffee, oil, this is butter, sugar, orange, bottle of water, milk, burger, cola, tomato, French fries, cookies, chips, cake, apples, cheese, lettuce, hot dog, and cucumber. For the meat, it is unhealthy food if you eat a lot. Strawberry, healthy. Coffee, a kind of healthy, but if you have a lot of it, it will be unhealthy. Oil, unhealthy. Butter, healthy. Sugar, unhealthy. Orange, healthy. Water, healthy. Milk, healthy. Burger, unhealthy. Cola unhealthy, tomato healthy, French fries unhealthy, cookies unhealthy, chips unhealthy, cake unhealthy, apples healthy, cheese healthy, lettuce healthy, hot dog unhealthy, and cucumber healthy or maybe very healthy. This is a passage about Fawzia, a nurse. She reports something about the food, what kind of healthy food you should eat, what kind of unhealthy food that you should avoid. Okay, this passage is very important. You have to read all the passage very carefully, and you also need to understand the vocabularies, the whole vocabularies here in this passage. It's very important. What did Nurse Fauzia mean? Before her talk, I did not understand, but I do now. This is what she said. هذا ما قالته. خلينا نبدأ من اللي قالته. We all need food and drink, but what kind and how much do we need? Some kinds of food are very good for us. For example, fish, fruit, and vegetables. So they are very good for us. They keep us healthy and they do not make us fat. We should eat 5 pieces of fruit and vegetables every day, but we can eat more. We should also drink a lot of water. So we have water, fish, fruit, and vegetables. They are very healthy for us. We should eat 5 pieces of each one of them every day and maybe more. More is also healthy. So how about meat and cheese? So meat and cheese are also good, but only if we don't eat too much. Too much of them is unhealthy. They have a lot of fat. We should be very careful about everything that has a lot of fat, salt, or sugar. So we should avoid and يتجنب. We should avoid food that contains fat, salt, and sugar in it. So we should avoid the food that contains these three kind of ingredients. This doesn't mean that we should never eat biscuits, sweets, fries, or crisps. So we can eat biscuits, we can eat sweet, we can eat fries or crisps. It is also right to eat a few, okay? But we should eat a few of them. If we eat too many, we will be unhealthy and we will get fat. When Nurse Fozia came to our school, I had a bag of crisps, two chocolate bars, and a bottle of cola in my school bag. Today I have water and fruit in my bag. So we have words like too much, too many, a little, a few. So we should distinguish between these four words. Too much and too many, they are used for a big amount of things نستخدمهن للكميات الكثيرة، لكن too much و too many يختلفن في نوع الكمية. هذه تستخدم it is used for uncountable nouns. We say too much sugar, too much milk, too much coffee, etc., too much water. But here too many, it is used for countable nouns. We use it with apples, for example, orange. We use it with something that is counted. The opposite of these are a little and few. عكسهن يعني معنات القليل من اللي هن a little and a few. But a little is different from a few. A little is used for uncountable nouns and a few used with countable nouns. We say a little sugar, a little water, a little milk, and we say a few orange, a few apples, etc. For example, a little sugar is all right. Okay, little sugar, you see here, little sugar is all right, but too much is bad for you. A few biscuits are all right, but too many are bad for you. There are some questions about the passage of Nurse Fozia in your activity book, unit 2, page 21. B. Answer these questions about the report on page 18 of your student's book. Write short answers. Question number 1. What things are very good for us? Let's go to the SP. Things like fish, fruit, and vegetables are very good for us. Okay, and also water. Fish, fruit, vegetables, and water. They are very good for us. So this is the answer. Question number 2. What should we not eat too much of? The answer is meat and cheese. Question number 3. Which three things should we be careful about? Let's go to the SB. Three things: fat, salt, and sugar. We should be careful about. Okay, these three things. Question number 4. Why was the food in Layla's bag not very healthy? For example, A. Crisps, because it contains fat. It contains fat or oil. B. Chocolate bar is unhealthy because it contains sugar. C. Cola is unhealthy. Why? Because it contains also sugar. Dear students, this is the end of our lesson for now. Before I tell you the homework, you should read the whole passage. تقرون هذه القطعة كلها and you find the vocabularies that are familiar here, and you know every single vocabulary in this passage and you read it well. Okay, this passage with its questions مع أسئلتها مطلوبة من عندكم. وننتقل إلى أوكي، عرفنا هسه احنا أيضا استخدامات should أو استخدام should، كيف نستخدم should اللي هي تدلنا على أو تعطينا advice نصيحة. Okay, if we want to advise someone we use should. In lesson 2 We know now the different kinds of fruit and food in general. These vocabularies are also important. You should know all of them. I said that earlier in this video. Okay, you should also read this passage. It is also important. هاي القطعة أيضا مهمة تقروها زين وتطلعون الكلمات المهمة. They are very important. بالإضافة إلى ذلك أسئلة القطعة هذه مهمة جدا تقروهن وتحفظوهن. Okay. وعرفنا بعدها the difference between too much, too many, a little, a few. قلنا ذني معناتهن الكثير من وهذني معناتهن القليل من. لكن too much للغير معدود و too many للمعدود، a little للغير معدود و a few للمعدود. واجبكم هو تحلون lesson 1 و lesson 2 بيونت 2 كلهن. Okay. وأي سؤال if you have any question please don't hesitate to text me. Goodbye.